Welcome to the Working Cloud Setup Wizard. Read the information provided about getting started with Working Cloud and then click Next. You're now in the Organisations section of the Working Cloud Setup. Type the organisation name, ABN, ACN, select the industry from the drop-down box, type the website domain, and add a logo. You then need to add the address and primary contact details for the account. Click Next. We're now in the Work settings under General. Select the region settings, the date format, the departments. You can add a department now and then you hit Add, and then you can have a look at the previous records added. As you can see, I've already added marketing. The client call cycle is how many days you'll call gold, silver and bronze customers. Click Next. We're now in the financial section. Select your currency, the financial year, superannuation rate, the ad hoc rate per hour, enter your tax file number and the expiry days for the quote. You can add the terms of trade by selecting cash on delivery or other, and then selecting the number of weeks or days and clicking Add. As you can see, these are the records I've already added, 1 week and 4 weeks. You can add your Xero account to the Working Cloud setup by clicking Yes. Click Next. We're now in the Job ID section. Here you can set up your quote ID, your order ID, work record ID, invoice ID, purchase order ID, and project ID. You need to select the year and the job number. You cannot change this once it's already been added. As you can see, I've already previously added it. Click Next. We're now in the Products and Services section. You need to add the supplier name, supplier code, and the address, and then click Add. As you can see, I've already added a record. Or, alternatively, you can import the supplier by downloading the CSV file, adding your content to it, and then importing it back into the system. Click Next. You can add categories for your products here. So add your category, the general profit margin. I've already added some. So category 1 with a profit margin of 20%. You can also download the CSV file here and import it back in. At any time you can quit the setup by clicking this and it will save wherever you're up to. Click Next. For the subcategories, you select the parent category and then you type the name of the subcategory and the profit margin. Click Add. I've already added some here, subcategory 1, and the parent category is category 1. You can also import the subcategories by downloading the sample CSV file, adding your own data, and then re-importing it. Click Next. Type the product name, product code, the category and the subcategory, the buy price. The sell price is automatically generated based on the margins you've put in earlier. You can select your supplier and add your current stock level. As you can see, I've already done this here. Once again, you can also download the sample CSV file and add the data yourself. Click Next. Add services. Type in the name, category, subcategory, service code, buy price and sell price. Click here to see the existing ones that I've put in. Click the cross. You can click here to do the CSV file, and you can also re-import it once you put your data in. Click Next. Add the client's details as an individual or the company and enter all of the information marked with the red line. You can also download the CSV file and add all of your clients that way. I've already added a client. Click Next. Here you enter your staff's information. So you enter their email address, their roles. You can also add a new role from here and choose what permissions they have. So they can either view or manage. You can also download the CSV file, add your own data and import it. I've made 2 records here. Close. Click Next. Now, to turn on all of your achievements, you just can click this on, or you can select individually what ones you would like to turn on. I recommend turning all of them on. Click Next. KPIs for your staff. It's the same as the last one. I recommend putting them all on. Click Next. For the treasure hunt, this is just a fun and easy way that your staff can use Working Cloud. Turn it on. Click Next. We've finished the Working Cloud setup. Click Finish and you can use the other features of the product. Thank you.